Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how Appsurify can prevent teams from finding defects late in the development cycle, which can delay your release. Often teams are unsure of what to test, this leads to them wanting to test everything, which can cause them to go over time. So teams usually need to cut their testing scope, they use their gut or their prior history to try to decide what to test. Unfortunately, gut-based testing is often biased and can cause you to miss defects. To solve this, Appsurify helps you identify risky commits and the areas that are likely to have defects. We do this by analyzing your Git repository and looking for trends in the data to predict defects. Appsurify also prioritizes your tests based on the likelihood of finding a defect given the recent set of changes. We analyze your test history looking for prior failures and then linking those failures to code changes. From this, Appsurify can accurately determine which tests are likely to find defects. Additionally, we also automatically separate out tests which have associated defects, so those can be excluded from test runs and then included when the defect is fixed. This is similar to how other state-of-the-art companies like Google prioritize tests. All of this leads to defects being found earlier in the testing cycle, which leads to teams releasing faster with fewer defects. Let me show you how this works. The following is a simplified example of how Appsurify prioritizes tests. First, we set up the data. In commit 1, all tests fail due to a flaky defect. In commit 2, we have changed file 1 in area 1. Test 1, 7 and 8 all fail. In commit 3, we change file 2 in area 1 and test 2 fails. In commit 4, file 1 in area 2 and file 1 in area 3 are both changed. Test 3 fails. In commit 5, we change file 1 in area 4 and test 4 fails. Then in commit 6, we have changed file 1 in area 1 and added a new file to area 2. Appsurify prioritizes the tests in the following way. Test 1 is set to high priority as it has failure associated with file 1 in area 1. Test 2 is set to medium as it is associated with area 1. Test 3 is set to medium as it is associated with area 2. Test 4 is currently set to medium, but after additional test runs and further information would be set to low as it currently has no association with the changes in commit 6. Tests 5 and 6 are both unassigned as Appsurify has no data on these tests. Test 7 is found in the Ready for Testing category. Test 8 is found in the Open Defects category. Appsurify uses AI to learn from the commit and test history. As it learns, Appsurify's predictions on which tests are likely to fail become more precise. By prioritizing the tests in this way, you can reduce the time spent running tests and find defects faster than before. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you want to make sure that you find defects early and that testing never causes you to miss a deadline, please get in touch.